Welcome to 360 Degree Data Podcast. Teaching is one of the most demanding professions. Between lesson planning, grading, and administrative tasks, many teachers spend hours outside the classroom just keeping up. But AI tools are starting to change that. When used correctly, AI can save teachers hours every week without replacing the human side of teaching. Teachers can use AI to draft lesson structures quickly. For example, a teacher could ask, create a 45-minute lesson plan on photosynthesis for 12-year-old students. Tools like ChatGPT or Gemini can generate lesson objectives, activity ideas, discussion questions. Teachers can then refine and adapt the plan to their classroom. Another major time saver is assessment creation. Teachers can ask AI to generate multiple choice questions, short answer quizzes, comprehension questions. This helps create quick, formative assessments without starting from scratch every time. Not all students learn at the same pace. AI can help teachers adjust reading materials to different levels. For example, you can ask, rewrite this passage for a 10-year-old student or explain this concept in simpler language. This supports differentiated learning. Providing feedback is essential but time-consuming. AI can help teachers generate feedback templates like suggestions for improvement, encouragement messages, rubric-based comments. Teachers still review and personalize the feedback, but the draft process becomes faster. The goal of AI isn't to replace teachers, it's to remove repetitive tasks. When AI helps with planning, quizzes, and drafting materials, teachers can spend more time on mentoring students, classroom interaction, creative teaching approaches. And that's where human educators make the biggest difference. As I close, AI won't replace teachers, but teachers who learn to use AI effectively may gain something incredibly valuable: time. And in education, more time with students can make all the difference. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next podcast.